the smile from ear to ear, I must say. When people come and hear about swimming with the horses, they're like, oh my God, we're doing it. Our horseback riding got a little bit of everything on it. A little bit of fast walking, a little bit of chipping, just go with the rhythm. For me, I would say, from my experience of doing this, I would say the highlight of the tour is most of the people can't get to go into the water. So they come here to go into the water and swim with the horses, and they like that. Horses are, for me, I would say freedom. If you've never done horseback riding before, Antigua is where you need to be. Riding on the beach, let water splash on your feet, maybe in your face. Come out here and do some riding.